Secrets The Vine Cancun sits on Boulevard Cucucan at kilometer marker 14.5 in Cancun's hotel zone, and here's something most travelers overlook when booking all-inclusive resorts in Mexico. This property is part of the Hyatt Inclusive Collection, which means Hyatt loyalty members can earn and redeem points here while enjoying the all-inclusive model. That's not common in Cancun's resort landscape, where most all-inclusives operate independently or under brands that don't connect to major hotel loyalty programs. If you're sitting on World of Hyatt points or building toward elite status, this detail changes the entire value equation of your vacation. The hotel has collected over 19,000 reviews on TripAdvisor, which gives you a substantial sample size to judge consistency, and it maintains a 4.5 out of 5 rating, suggesting the property delivers on its promises more often than not. The ownership structure under Hyatt Inclusive Collection also means the property follows certain operational standards that differ from independent all-inclusives, particularly around staff training and amenities quality. This isn't just marketing speak. When a major hotel group acquires or partners with an all-inclusive, they typically implement brand standards for everything from minibar restocking frequency to pool towel availability. These are the small details that can make or break a vacation where you've prepaid for everything. The hotel zone location at kilometer 14.5 places Secrets The Vine Cancun in the heart of the action, with the Caribbean Sea on one side and the lagoon on the other. This stretch of Boulevard Cucucan is where Cancun transitions from the busy commercial area near the convention center to the slightly quieter resort corridor heading toward the southern tip. You're close enough to nightlife and shopping if you want it, but far enough that you're not hearing bass thumping from Coco Bongo at 2 in the morning. Now let's talk about what actually matters when you're spending a week at an all-inclusive resort. The room is your home base, the place you'll return to after too much sun and too many margaritas, and it needs to function well beyond just looking good in photos. This is a full-scale resort with enough capacity to generate nearly 20,000 reviews, so you're looking at a property with substantial room inventory and likely multiple building sections or towers. When booking, pay close attention to room location within the resort, especially if mobility is a concern or if you prefer being close to specific amenities like the main pool or preferred restaurants. All-inclusive resorts live or die by their dining programs, and this is where guest experiences vary wildly depending on expectations and previous resort experience. There are multiple dining venues, which is standard for a property of this size. The restaurant component of Secrets The Vine Cancun appears separately on TripAdvisor with nearly 300 reviews, and ranks number 213 out of over 1,300 restaurants in the area. That ranking sits firmly in the middle of the pack, which is actually fairly typical for hotel restaurants in Cancun competing against the city's standalone dining scene. All-inclusive resort restaurants face a unique challenge. They need to serve high volume while maintaining quality, and they're competing for rankings against restaurants that can focus on a single cuisine type and don't have to feed the same guests 3 meals a day for a week straight. The dining experience at any all-inclusive depends heavily on managing your expectations and understanding how these operations work. Buffets will always be the workhorse of the resort, handling breakfast for hundreds of guests and offering the widest variety, but they're rarely where you'll find the most memorable meals. Specialty restaurants require reservations, and at larger resorts you need to book those on day one of your stay, or you'll end up shut out of the most popular venues. If the resort offers any kind of premium dining experience, whether it's a steakhouse or a teppanyaki grill, that's usually where the culinary team can showcase actual skill rather than just maintaining steam tables. The bar program at an all-inclusive resort is its own ecosystem. You'll have a main bar near the pool that gets slammed from 11 in the morning until sunset, a lobby bar for people who want a quieter drink, and usually a swim-up bar that's more about convenience than craft cocktails. The quality of the bar program often comes down to whether bartenders have time to make anything beyond the basic rum punch and margarita, and whether the resort stocks call brands or only well liquor. Top-shelf alcohol is sometimes available but may require an upcharge even at all-inclusives, so clarify that when you check in if you care about specific brands. The pool and beach situation is critical at any Cancun resort because this is where you'll spend most of your waking hours. The Caribbean side of Cancun's hotel zone offers genuinely beautiful water, that famous turquoise color that looks oversaturated in photos but is actually accurate. The beach conditions vary significantly depending on exactly where you are on the hotel zone and what the seaweed situation looks like during your travel dates. Sargassum seaweed has been an ongoing issue along the Mexican Caribbean coast for several years now, with some months worse than others. Resorts work hard to clear it daily, but Mother Nature doesn't care about your vacation schedule. This isn't specific to Secrets The Vine Cancun. It's a reality for the entire region, and it's worth checking recent guest reviews from within the past month before your trip to see what current conditions look like. Pool culture at all-inclusive resorts has its own unwritten rules. The towel reservation phenomenon, where guests stake out chairs at sunrise with towels and then disappear for hours, is real and annoying. Some resorts actively police this and will remove towels from unattended chairs after 30 minutes. Others let it slide. The main pool is always the scene, with music, activities, and maximum energy. If you want peace, look for an adults-only pool or a quieter secondary pool area, assuming the resort has multiple pool zones. Swim-up bars sound great in theory but can get crowded, and the stools are often uncomfortable after about 20 minutes. Still, there's something undeniably fun about ordering a drink without leaving the water, even if the novelty wears off by day 3. Activities at all-inclusive resorts range from genuinely fun to mildly embarrassing, depending on your tolerance for organized group entertainment. Water aerobics, beach volleyball, pool games with enthusiastic animation teams. These are staples of the all-inclusive experience. Some people love the built-in social structure and the fact that there's always something happening. Others find it intrusive and prefer to be left alone with a book. The beauty of a larger resort is that you can usually avoid activities if you want to, unlike smaller properties where the animation team will hunt you down and drag you into the pool volleyball game whether you like it or not. Evening entertainment typically includes live music, theme nights, and shows that vary wildly in quality. Some resorts invest in professional performers and elaborate productions. Others offer enthusiastic but amateur entertainment that's more charming than polished. The lobby bar often has live music that creates pleasant ambience without forcing participation, which is the sweet spot for most adults who want atmosphere without commitment. Spa and wellness facilities at resort properties like this usually include a fitness center and a full-service spa offering massages, facials, body treatments, and the usual menu of services. These are typically not included in the all-inclusive package and operate as a separate revenue center, with prices comparable to standalone spas in the area. The quality of spa services at resort spas is generally reliable because they're often operated by professional spa management companies rather than the hotel itself. If you're planning spa treatments, book early in your stay because prime time slots fill quickly, especially for couples massages. The fitness center will have cardio equipment and free weights, and it will be mostly empty except for the dedicated few who actually work out on vacation. Secrets is an adults-only brand, which means no kids' clubs or family activities to discuss here. This is a critical distinction that shapes the entire resort atmosphere. Adults-only resorts attract couples, friend groups, and solo travelers who specifically want to avoid the chaos of families on vacation. The pool scene is quieter, the restaurants don't have high chairs and chicken nuggets, and you won't be woken up by children running down the hallway at 7 in the morning. If you're looking for a romantic getaway or just want to relax without navigating around kids, this is the right category of resort. If you're traveling with children, you're at the wrong property entirely. The hotel zone in Cancun is essentially a long barrier island connected to the mainland by bridges. And while you're technically in Cancun, you're somewhat isolated from the actual city where locals live and work. This setup is convenient for resort vacations, but means you're in a bubble of hotels, malls, and tourist restaurants. Getting to downtown Cancun or to attractions outside the hotel zone requires either a rental car, taxi, or arranging transportation through the resort. The Mayan ruins at Cholum are about 2 hours south and make for a popular day trip. Chichen Itza is further, closer to 3 hours, but it's one of the new 7 wonders of the world and genuinely impressive if you can handle the tour bus crowds. Isla Mujeres is a short ferry ride away and offers a more laid-back island vibe with good snorkeling and beach clubs. Xcaret and Zelha are eco-archaeological parks that combine nature, culture, and adventure activities, and they're well-executed tourist attractions even if they're not exactly authentic cultural experiences. Let's keep it real for a moment, because no resort is perfect and pretending otherwise doesn't help anyone plan a trip. One reviewer on TripAdvisor described their experience as the worst ever with terrible customer service, noting that the only positive was the view. They mentioned waiting an additional 45 minutes at check-in, which suggests operational issues at least during that particular visit. This is one review out of nearly 20,000, so it's not necessarily representative of the typical experience, but it's worth noting that even highly rated resorts have off days and service failures. All-inclusive resorts are complex operations with hundreds of staff members and thousands of moving parts, and when something goes wrong, whether it's a room not being ready or a restaurant reservation getting lost, it can cascade into a frustrating experience. The sheer volume of reviews suggests that most guests have positive experiences, but the 4.5 rating instead of a higher score indicates there's room for improvement in consistency. The middle-of-the-pack restaurant ranking also suggests that while the dining is adequate for an all-inclusive, it's probably not going to blow you away if you're a serious food person. This is the trade-off with all-inclusive resorts. You get convenience and value, but you sacrifice the culinary highs you might find at standalone restaurants where chefs have more freedom and fewer constraints. If food is a central part of your vacation experience, you might want to plan at least 1 or 2 off-resort dining experiences in Cancun's better restaurants, which will cost extra but might be worth it for a memorable meal. What makes Secrets the Vine Cancun genuinely different from competitors is primarily the Hyatt connection, which we discussed at the beginning but bears repeating because it's the most significant differentiator. Most travelers don't think about hotel loyalty programs when booking all-inclusives, but if you're already in the Hyatt ecosystem or planning to build loyalty with a major hotel group, being able to earn points on an all-inclusive stay is valuable. The points you earn can be redeemed for future stays at Hyatt properties worldwide, and if you're working toward elite status, nights at Secrets the Vine count toward your annual total. This transforms the value proposition entirely for frequent travelers who might otherwise skip all-inclusives because they don't contribute to loyalty programs. The adults-only positioning is another key differentiator, though it's not unique to this property. Secrets is an established adults-only brand, and guests choosing this resort are specifically seeking that atmosphere. This creates a self-selecting guest base that shapes the entire vibe of the property. You won't find the party-hard spring break crowd that gravitates toward other Cancun resorts, but you also won't find the quiet sophistication of a small boutique hotel. It's adults-only all-inclusive, which typically means couples in their 30s through 60s looking for relaxation, romance, and convenience without the complexity of planning every meal and activity. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.